If you don't have a will, your assets will get split per the intestate laws when you pass away. So as an example, in Georgia, your assets will get split evenly between your surviving spouse and your surviving kids, with your spouse getting a minimum of 1/3 of your assets. And so if you want to make sure that your surviving spouse is getting all of your assets so that they are able to financially take care of themselves for the remainder of their life, and then have those assets go down to your kids after your spouse has been taken care of, you can set up a will which will give that direction. But the problem with the will is all of your assets will have to go through probate to go to your surviving spouse, which can take 1.5 to 2 years for them to be able to take over ownership of your half of the assets. Now, the other option is going to be setting up like joint tenants with rights to survivorship for a property. The property will pass automatically to your surviving spouse. You could do designated beneficiaries on your financial accounts or your life insurance payouts. That will make all of your assets go directly to them without the probate process. That's the cheapest route to do everything. If you want to make someone be in control of the finances on behalf of your surviving spouse and take care of them so your surviving spouse doesn't have to worry about the finances if they aren't that great with them, or you fear that they, in the end of their life, won't be able to manage those assets, you can put all of your assets inside of a revocable trust. Allow the trustee to manage the assets on behalf of your surviving spouse and take care of them financially with the assets inside the trust. And then that way they don't have to worry about any of those things. All they have to worry about is just living. Then you can take those assets and pass them down to your kids once your surviving spouse has passed away. If you want help setting any of this up and use one of our trusts, your assets will avoid the probate process, or we will do probate for free. Click the link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk some more.